Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Money TV. Warren Buffett said that if you invest in this for 10 years, you'll do better than 90% of the people who started at the same time. What is it? Hey guys, welcome back. We believe in changing lives through money education, so do subscribe to our channel for more video updates. So today we're gonna talk about ETF, Exchange Traded Fund. Let's say if you want to start investing some money into the stock market, but you do not know how to pick a good stock or when to invest, so you decided to talk to your friend. Your friend met you, sit down with you and started teaching you about how to invest in the stock market. After about 15 minutes of sitting through, you start to get confused. I believe this is not an unfamiliar story. It happened to some of you, am I right? But at the same time, you're thinking to yourself, stock investment is so profitable. You do not want to miss the boat. So, what can you do? You can invest in ETF. How does it work? Let's say SPY ETF. It is an ETF that tracks the performance of the 500 largest company in the US stock exchange. The SPY will buy up the stocks of the 500 largest companies in the US stock exchange and bundle it up as an ETF, then divide it into units and sell it to you on the stock exchange. So when you own one unit of SPY ETF, you indirectly own the 500 largest stocks in the US stock exchange. The value of the ETF will depend on the performance of the 500 stocks it owns. To simply put it, ETF is actually a basket of assets. It can be a basket of growth stock, technology stock, construction stock, but it is not limited to just stock. It can also be a basket of bonds, gold, metal, real estate. It can be a basket of anything. So, when you buy one unit of ETF, you are actually buying a slice of the whole basket of assets. You see, if you want to invest directly into individual stocks, it will require more work and more time. You have to pick the right stock to invest in, and you have to pick the right time to invest into that stock. So if you do not want to spend 6 to 8 hours a week to work on your investment, but you want to invest in the stock market, perhaps ETF is a good choice for you, since it can give you diversification across the asset and saves you time. So why did Warren Buffett say that if you invest in this for 10 years, you will do better than 90% of the people who started at the same time? Over the years, it's shown that ETF deliver better results than 90% of the professionally managed fund in the market. Compared to ETF, these funds have a professional fund manager that pick and select individual stock to reach their investment target. But still, 90% of them perform below the benchmark. So yes, while you can pick and select individual stock to make up your own portfolio, but do you think you can do better than 90% of these professional fund managers? So why should anyone invest in ETF? Because you don't have to know which is the right stock to pick or the right time to enter into the market. Buying ETF helps you to have a basket of stocks, and this saves the trouble of picking individual stock and helps you to avoid the risk of selecting the wrong stock. One of the most important aspects in investment is diversification. However, diversification can be very costly as it requires you to buy many assets. That is a lot of money. So when you invest into ETF, you can achieve diversification with the lowest cost. So in my opinion, there are two kinds of people who should invest in ETF. The first kind are people who want to invest in the stock market, but you lack the necessary skills or time to study the market. Investing in ETF helps you to save the time and trouble, since it can give you diversification and saves you time as well, while giving you the exposure to invest in the stock market. The second kind of people are those who are already investing in the stock market, but they want diversification in their portfolio. Including ETF in your portfolio is a very cheap and reliable way to achieve diversification. Hi guys, if you're interested to invest in ETF, do check out this cool platform called Stashaway. They have a very easy to use system together with a good selection of US ETF funds in their portfolio. There's no minimum balance or deposit to open an account as well. On top of that, they have a kick-ass robo-advisor that manages your portfolio for you. So do check them out in the link below that I'll attach in the description. Oh guys, a good news! If you were to sign up for an account through the link that I attach below, you will get a 50% discount off your management fee for the next 6 months. So what are you waiting for?
Attends tout des autres, ceux-ci même qui attendent tout de moi. J'attends cette émission où